Hi, this is JD with Summer of '69 from Rockschool Guitar Grade 3.
Summer of '69.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so now I'm going to give you some tips for learning Summer of '69, starting with the technique of palm muting, which I think should be used for the introduction and section A, the verses. Palm muting is the technique of resting the hand where the strings meet the bridge to mute the vibrations and make the chord sound chunky. Without it, it sounds like that, and with the muting, like that. So we're going to rest the soft part at the back of your picking hand exactly where the strings cross the bridge pieces and strum the chord. If the hand moves too far forward, we lose the notes of the chord. If the hand moves too far backwards, there's no muting at all. Somewhere in between is a sweet spot where we reduce the vibrations there and get a kind of muted bass boost effect on the sound. Not all of the chord notes are muted. The notes that are marked with the accent symbol are designed to be played unmuted. That's the accent symbol there, the sort of chevron sign. So to do that, we would jump the hand off the bridge as we play those notes, and then return the hand to the muting position afterwards. So the accented notes are designed to really stick out and be given emphasis there. Now I'm going to talk you through section B, the pre-chorus. So for this, I'm going to describe my flat picking directions, my plectrum directions as I go through this section. And I'm going to take it in 2-bar chunks. So first of all, bars 15 and 16, I'm doing like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. I'll show you that again. 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, down. Notice that we sort of take the A chord off, and the last note of 16 is an open D there. Next, we're going to do 17 and 18, which is going to be a D chord changing to a G5, and then the last note of bar 18 will take the G5 off and just do a lone A note. So here we go with 17 and 18. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Same thing again. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Next, it's going to be 19 and 20. Back to using a B minor and an A chord. So after 4, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Same thing again. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 down. And again, there at the end of that bar, we've just taken the chord off and played a D note before bar 21, where we are going to go back to a D chord. 22 features a G5 chord and back to a D chord within the same bar. So here we go with 21 and 22. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Same again. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Now we're going to do bars 23 and 24, which is back to B minor and A. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, down. Same again. 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, down. Then in section C, mostly upstrokes, apart from the last 3 notes of 26 and 28. So I'll show you that bit. 2, 3, 4. Our general approach with chords in sections B and C is to allow the notes to sustain and ring out, and we're only going to change chord when we have to. So we wouldn't treat that as like separate notes. We're going to allow the notes to sustain. So keep those chords held on until it's time to move to the next one. The next verse and the pre-chorus and the ending all use things you've already played. So yeah, get stuck in and enjoy. Cheers.